Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be stopping here momentarily to activate the crossing signals here so we can go over the crossing. Thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're now approaching the end of our 1.5 mile long main line. At this point, the train will be reversing ends and we'll be heading back to the Pinacate station. From this point on, another operator at the other end will be taking the train back south. We hope you're enjoying your ride, and once again, thank you for visiting us at the Southern California Railway Museum.